Hello everyone. Before getting started, please look at some of these pictures. Can you relate these pictures? I know you can, because all of these websites we are using regularly, but behind that scene they are using tables, but we don't know actually they are using tables. So today I am going to teach you how to make tables. Let's get started.
So at first I am going to open the HTML boilerplate using Shift+1, and that will bring the exclamatory mark. Press enter. The initial HTML boilerplate will appear. Now I will change the title. Here I am giving table. Now I am pressing Ctrl S to save, and then I will open the file in Chrome. Now I am going back to the Visual Studio Code. After that I will make table section, and inside that I am taking T head for table header and T body for table body. Inside T head I am taking a row by tr tag. Inside the tr tag I am taking 4 column using the th tag, and each column I will have different value. Here I am taking those values. Now in the T-body section I am taking 4 rows, and inside each of the row I am taking 4 columns. Now I am giving some values here accordingly. You will give values inside each of the table column. Now press Ctrl+S, and I am going to the Chrome, and we will see a table there. Now I will style it. To style it I am going to use internal style. You can use external style as well because it is more preferable. But for this video I am going to use internal style. Now I am taking a class content table inside table section. In the style section I am calling that class, and now here I am calling border collapse property and setting the value collapse, and now I am giving margin 25 pixel to the top and bottom and 0 pixel to the left and right. I am giving the font size 0.9 em, giving minimum width of 400 pixel, giving margin left and margin right auto. I will select content table, T head section and tr tag. This will directly select the tr tag of the T head section. And now I am giving background color #811991. You can use your preferable color as well. I am taking text align left, and the color I am giving Alice blue. Now I am selecting content table th and content table td and giving padding 12 pixel for top and bottom and 15 pixel for left and right. Pressing Ctrl S and then going to Chrome, and here it is the beautiful table. Now I will change the color of the odd table rows by selecting tr clone nth child odd and giving the background color to #e2 e1 e1. Now going back to the Chrome, this is a very beautiful table. I hope you all enjoy it.
This is how you will make table. Hope this helps you. This is just the beginning of web development. You need to work hard. Thank you all. That's all from me. I hope you will keep learning.